Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you got an opportunity to look at my last two uploads from Bella Wholesale. And if you have not, child, you are missing out on a great wholesale store. My other video was about some great flat shoes that are perfect if you want to look stylish and sexy, and some flats and espadrilles, and they even got some great looking heels. Child, I went back there and I had myself a good old time, but that is a story for another time. This is the last video series for that site. So I only have a couple of outfits actually left, so if you want to see the rest of them, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, because I don't know what y'all doing, but y'all need to just push the button. Push it. So keep watching. Okay, so if you're still here and you haven't pushed the button yet, go ahead. I'm gonna wait. Did you do it? Did you push the button yet? Well, anyway, for those of you who have already pushed the button, I'm going to move on. So, I just left these in the wrapper, and we already know these clothes are great value. We know they are hella nice from the other outfits that I uploaded pictures of. This is another two-piece set. And you can see I was trying to do my zebra thing again. So this is a two-piece set. Let me show you the top first. Oh, this is cute. Now this is very stretchable, as you can see, and it has a little zipper in the back. I like this. This is a little, well, you know what? I thought it was a little see-through, but maybe not. When I try it on, I will let you know, but I really like this. I don't think it will actually show as a crop top on me, but yeah, I got this in a size medium, but yeah, this is really cute. And to go along with the outfit, this is the skirt. Now this too is stretchable. It has the little zipper. I think this is the back. Girl, they don't put no tags in here. I guess you can put this back, front, side, whatever. But I would put the zipper in the back. So that's what I'm gonna say. The zipper goes in the back, and this is cute. I like it. It looks like it's just a little midi. It's gonna go down to your shins. So yeah, I think this is cute. I can't wait. Child, I'll wear this to work. All I need is a little cover up, you know, over top of it. One of those little little things that go over top of it. Just gotta make sure they ain't showing no stomach, that's all. But this is really, really, really cute. And you know, the colors are in with this bright lime color, so that is really nice. I'm hoping it shows up on camera, but yeah, I really like this. And it is, of course, very heavy, nice material, very cute. So let's move on. Let's put these over here on this chair. The next one I have is this one. Let's see. Save these bags, because I usually go on vacation and I put stuff in these bags. Swimsuits, when they get wet and I got to travel back with them, I save these bags to put my little toiletries and stuff in. These are, yeah, you can even put your clothes back in there. This is a little, oh, this is another two-piece. I must have went two-piece crazy. This is a cute look. Oh. Is this gonna fit my tatas? Child, I don't even know. What y'all think? Girl, we might have some under boobage going on, but yeah, we're gonna see. We gonna see. You might have to, put a little under boobage bra underneath here. We might be too old to be doing under boobage. What the hell? Girl, when you go on vacation, ain't nobody gonna know. So this is really cute. You can even buy another little top if you don't wear this one, or if this is just too short for you, too much of a crop top. I would, of course, get some other fabric and maybe put on the bottom of this if it is too short for me to wear as a crop top, which it might be. If you add on some other material, it might be perfect. But this is cute. And to go along with that, you get this little wraparound skirt, and I believe I got this in a large. But this is cute. Again, it's very heavy material, and it has this little wraparound belt, so it sort of ties like that in the front. So that's cute. I'm thinking that's cute. Again, you can wear this to work. This is super cute. You can put this on with a nice jacket. You don't have to wear the crop top with it. You can put it on with a nice green top, a nice little peach top. You can, you can put some heels on with this, girl. This is, you can wear this to work and still look cute. So this is beautiful material. I love material like this. It's just vibrant colors, and it just makes me feel good when I can wear something vibrant. Even in the winter time, when it has beautiful colors like this, I will still rock this. Even in the fall, it's just beautiful colors. So anyway, I love that. And then let's see, the last item I got was this, and I know this is a dress because I loved it when I saw it on the model. I was a little hesitant about getting it, but I said, you know what, I am going to get it, and oh my goodness, I am glad I did. I'm not necessarily liking the little fishtail at the bottom, but you know what? It looked good on the model, and I am going to try it. It has the little neckline at the top that has the sleeves that go, sort of like that, so it gives you that little appearance of a halter top, but it has the little neckline that goes like that. And in the back, it has a little peekaboo back outage part that goes a little bit down your back, so it will show just the sort of down by this part of your back, which I think is cute, because that's the part of your back that sometimes don't have as much fat as the top, and it doesn't show those love handles on the side. So it's the perfect back outfit cutout, because it's closed on the sides and you ain't showing that, and it's just that pretty part of your back that you're going to show. This is a cute dress. It's a beautiful color. It's long. It's got that mermaid feel to it. It is perfect for date night. You can wear this to somebody's wedding. You could wear this, to some other engagement that's not really formal, but girl, you want somebody to say, who the hell is that? Because when they walk into the room, because I'm all about making a statement when I walk in. I want somebody to think I own the damn place. Even though I don't. I want it to look like I own the place. That's the way you always want to look when you go out. You want somebody to wonder who you are or who you think you are. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you will go out to Bell Wholesale and pick up some of these pieces that I have shown you, because I can tell you this was not sponsored. I just ran across this site because I wanted to make sure that I got some brand new places for you guys to do some shopping, and this site is phenomenal. You are going to love the items that you're going to find on there. You can pick your outfits, you can pick your accessories, and you can pick your shoes. They are the perfect site to go to, and I've got some more sites coming up that I haven't seen on YouTube yet, and I am going to bring you those sites here on my channel. So make sure that you subscribe, push that bell so you will be notified every time that I upload a video. And as always, thank you for watching, and mwah, kisses. Thank you. They make the boobs look good. Well, they look good to me, girl, as long as they ain't hanging down by my knees. I'm perfect. See you later. I just got home from work, so don't come for me on my makeup. Don't come for me.